Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to do unboxing of this TP-Link wireless adapter. So this is supported by both Windows and Mac, and the model number is AC600 Nano Wireless USB adapter. So it will support dual bands 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz, and as per the box it will support USB 2.0, and it comes with 3-year warranty. And I have ordered it from Flipkart and it costed me 899 rupees. So this is mostly useful for your old desktop laptops which don't support or which don't have the hardware to connect to 5G. So there it will be useful. So I will be using it in my Fujitsu laptop where I don't have any 5G adapter to connect to the 5G network. So I will use this to connect. So let's do the unboxing and see how it works. So let me open. So I have removed the packing, and it's a simple plug and play device. So I don't think we have to do much into this. So once we open it, we have this device here, one book for Windows, and here it says wireless USB adapter, and we get a CD drive. So this will not be needed, I will keep aside. So I will use directly. So it should automatically install the software once we plug in. So let's do this. So I will take out the device here. So this is a small device, TP-Link. So you can see the branding here of TP-Link. Let me focus it. So this is the TP-Link, and I will plug in to my USB 2 port on my laptop. So if you see, I am plugging it to my USB port. I have plugged in, and now I will log into my system. As soon as we log in, we can go ahead and see the device. Okay, so you can see the wireless adapter here ejected. Now once we come to our Wi-Fi settings, okay, so you can see currently we have Wi-Fi 1, that is the inbuilt Wi-Fi for my Windows. So I am using currently Windows 11, so that is my inbuilt. So this is the Wi-Fi 2, the adapter that I plugged in. So I will select this, and now if you can see, now it has detected the 5G network here, all my. So this 5G network is my JioFiber, so which is easily detectable, which was not earlier detecting when I was using the laptop Wi-Fi, and it was only detecting the 4G ranges. So I will use the Wi-Fi 2 for my 5G, and I will connect it, and let's see. And it was easy plug and play, so we don't needed anything to install. So automatically it should install. So now my 5G is connected here. So let's test the speed, how much speed it will be giving. So I will open the speed test by Ookla, and we will test the speed of the device. So I have to turn off my previous one. Sorry, I forgot to turn off the Wi-Fi 1. Okay, I will disconnect that one and use Wi-Fi 2 only, and again open. So now it is detecting my Jio, and I will just click go to test. So based on my Jio speed, it will connect to the 5G. So let's see what speed it is giving. So the ping is my 9 milliseconds. So my plan is 30 Mbps plan for the 5G Jio fiber. So it is almost getting 28 Mbps as the download speed on this laptop. And let's see the upload speed here. So which is also quite good in my case. So this is a good useful device for all the old devices, all the old laptops and the desktop where we need to enable the Wi-Fi. So it's an easy plug and play device. So that's all for this video. Thank you.